Hey guys, I don't have very good news today. We're in a tornado warning till 7 p.m. This is likely not good because we already experienced one before, and sounds are going off. And even though there's a bit of sky out there, there's still a tornado warning though. The last one happened on June 14th, 2022. No, June 13th. You can hear the siren. There's still, that last tornado warning that happened here only lasted 45 minutes. But this one may even last longer. It's still partly cloudy, but it's just mostly cloudy. But the siren has stopped. It's already starting to rain hard. That's it for today.